Hey, number one contendership for the HBWA heavyweight champion. Coming to the ring now. He is actually, what I just got him from, the XFW heavyweight champion. And looks like he's going to contend for the number one contendership for the HBWA heavyweight championship. This could be an interesting thing going on right here. Yeah, he sort of stole it from our heavyweight champion. You came to our show and made a mockery. This ain't right. Done. And his contestant, he is one half of the HBWA Tag Team Champion. This is Demolition. They don't look too worried about it. What's out his tag partner? I don't know where he's at yet. He's just got his tag partner's got this weird dark finish thing going on. We don't know where he's at. Who knows? There's a habit for music.
Yeah, it seems that my tag team partner wants to go to the dark side for some odd, mysterious reason.
Okay.
So, see how that's going to play out? I have no idea. But right now, I got a match to win.
The dark side has cookies, that's why he wins.
There we go. Then we have Sinn Vs Demolition for the number one contendership of the HB. Ring the bell, folks. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, we got the bell. This little match is off. Oh, those got 60 blows. That's kind of warning him there. Watch his fist.
Hey!
Oh, he's doing it again, Ref.
2, 3, contest. 4. Yeah, we can.
Y'all do know all that is being recorded on that phone.
Yeah.
5 minutes ago!
I got hungry! Shut up.
He was a cookie for the dark side. Why don't you take Sid home and beat him? Whatever you he took a tumble. Oh, he took a tumble to the outside. Is on the ground and he's shaking it off.
3.
He looks like a Twinkie out there. The Twinkie got on there. I finally found the cream in the middle.
6.
And we set up.
7.
At least it wasn't on the blue map. It looked like a blue map. Oh, man. Oh, man, that's got to really hurt. Oh, he rolled into it. I don't think I seen Demolition do that last week. Yeah, I heard he kind of sort of went sleeping last week. He set a distance record. I wasn't here. Oh, they just dug up. Oh! Hey, that thing says hello. You're not going to give that kid right there. No, that thing will look good. That fits the wrong date. That's out on the ringside area. That's down.
3. 4. Get in the ring.
That big bulky thing. Put it underneath. Oh, they're giving each other a hug? No! Oh, that was
1, 2.
Yeah, in the back, guys. Watch through the curtain. Oh, jeez. And now, we got the cookie. Oh, great. I have my corset on.
No.
I'm officially made to wear it.
Looks like Demolition has Sinn in some kind of armbar submission with... that's what it looks like to me, but I can't really
No.
This is not a match on Cena.
And the match keeps going, and it looks like Demo is really...
There's no up and down in that ring. I can't see that ball.
Yeah, no, that's the only one. 2. One, 2, get it in there. 3, 4, get back in there. 5. No. There's no. Got the ropes. 1, 2, Holy
3,
cow, and then
4.
still going on. There ain't no score.
No. No. Trying to make a wish. No.
He's making a wish. Demo might not be a base. Thanks, Jim. Came early for Sin. He just had him a turkey. Oh, his paintbrush is in the back of the head.
Hey, come on.
Right.
Watch that.
Yes.
Watch.
All right.
Hey.
He played bowling.
Don't do it again. What?
Oh,
Don't do it again.
Don't do it again.
Say it like you got a pass. This is not about John Cena. This is about DJ. I am not very bad.
One, 2.
Looks like Sin's whooping.
2.
Sin's the outside. Maybe Sin's probably. Oh, he's mad. He's shaking it up a little bit. He's a little mad.
2, 3. One, 2.